Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to write in a curve or to curve text in Adobe InDesign. So first we need to create a new path or a new circular path. So basically we are just going to create a circular shape or an ellipse shape. So we are going to use the ellipse tool. So as you can see, we are just going to do however you want your circular or your curving. So if you want it to be perfect, just have like perfect circle, or if you have want to have like some other rotation or some curving, you can just give it like that. So now I'm just going to have like a none and make sure that the fill and the stroke are invisible or not existent, and then now we are going to our text tool and make sure that type on a path tool, because our path become our curve or our circle. So I'm just going to click on it, make sure that the plus sign is showing, and as you can see now I'm going to start to have my text in this path. So basically I'm just going to do like that, and now we can start editing on our text. You can have like the characters. You can choose your font from here, your character window. If you don't see it to change your fonts, you can go to Windows and search for character or text and characters. So we need to search it here in the window here. So basically we need to find it. So properties and text wrap, this is the style, and paragraph style. We can have our styles here in the character style, and you can add some. So we have it here, and let's just change this thing, and we can add some size. This is too much, let's just make it sure. And now we have our text here. So basically now if you want to change like the alignment or the placement of the text, you need to go to the selection tool. So basically now you can start adding this one, and you can just drag in left and right until you have the desired uh, until you have the desired uh, rotation or the angle that you want, and then you will start just adding and rotating your text. You can just adjust like the size of your curve. You can do whatever you want with your text now. So basically this is how you write on a curve in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching and goodbye.